I want to go across to Rajiv Ranjan of the Janata Dal United. The BJP with 74 leads, the JDU with 43. Will Nitish Kumar, after a verdict of this nature, have the moral authority to say he believes he should be Prime Minister, he believes he should be Chief Minister?
अब देखिए, सबसे पहली बात तो ये है कि इस तरह की चीजें कैंपेन के दौरान उभर कर के आई, और बल्कि हम ये कहें कि इस सवाल का जवाब यूनियन होम मिनिस्टर ने अमित शाह जी ने ये कहा भी था कि अगर जेडीयू की सीटें कम भी होंगी तो नीतीश कुमार जी प्रीपोल अलायंस के नेता हैं, अगर हमारे अलायंस को मेजॉरिटी मिला तो वो मुख्यमंत्री होंगे। और मैं समझता हूं इसमें मोरल अथॉरिटी का जहां तक सवाल है तो नीतीश कुमार जी का आप वो याद कर लीजिए फैसला, जब 2014 के लोकसभा चुनाव में हमारी पार्टी को सीटें कम मिली थी, वो चुनाव लोकसभा के लिए था, लेकिन उन्होंने अपने खिलाफ वो जनादेश मांगा था और उस समय उन्होंने इस्तीफा दिया था। तो मैं नहीं समझता हूं कि ऐसे सवाल उनके लिए कभी उठे हैं, लेकिन आज बिहार को एक विकसित राज्य बनाने का संकल्प है और ये मैंडेट बिहार के विकास को अगले पायदान तक ले जाने के लिए है, और इसीलिए नीतीश कुमार जी का बिहार के हित में होना बेहद जरूरी है। वो बिहार को बेहतर तरीके से जानते हैं, उन्होंने लंबे समय से काम किया है और आने वाले 5 वर्षों जो एक टेक ऑफ का स्टेज है बिहार का, उससे निश्चित तौर पर बिहार को एक बड़ी ऊंचाई तक ले जाने में कामयाबी हमें मिलेगी।
At this moment there are 9 seats where the gap is less than 500 votes between the winner and the runner-up. 6 of those leads are for the RJD, 3 for the NDA. In the RJD alliance, all of those leads are currently with the RJD itself. In the NDA, 2 are for the BJP, 1 is for the JDU. Is it safe now to say, Rahul Srivastav, that we are reaching a point where it almost seems certain, no matter what happens in the last few seats where the verdict is still to come out, that there will be an NDA government in Bihar?
Rahul, with a contest as close as this, with the 2 figures, one, we have got the leads where you have a gap of nearly 12 seats, but the number of seats won which have been declared as won, you've got a very interesting contest that you've got 30 seats to the NDA and 31 to the Mahagathbandhan, and there are 2 seats, one for Owaisi and one for the independent. I think in this scenario, I think that BJP, that lead element is going to depend on what you have been talking about, is that margin factor. If the NDA can scale the margin factor in, beat the RJD in direct contests to a certain level that they win, keep at least half of this margin alive. I think
no, but
NDA
we can look at that on the screen right now. There are 26 seats where the gap is less than 1,000. 19 of them are won by the RJD, 9 by the NDA. Even if those 9 leads come to the RJD's fold, which is highly unlikely because you can't have all 9 come, the NDA, you'll then see the RJD go up to 121. You have 5 others. That can happen, but Rajat Sethi, it's highly unlikely. In any tight fight, you expect a fair distribution of the tight fight seats. It cannot get better than this.
Yeah,
so
I mean, theoretically it can happen, but it's unlikely.
So
it'll be
certainly,
too much.
I think the odds are stacked definitely in favor of the NDA. One can make an assumption at this stage that NDA has a comfortable edge, and things moving into the Mahagathbandhan's way looks increasingly more and more difficult.